Hi boys and girls, this is Miss Young and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a tens frame at home. Are you ready? First of all, what is a tens frame? We've been talking about that, right? A tens frame is a math picture that shows us a set of 10, right? Here is a completed tens frame. It already shows us that there are 10 counters in there. How it will look. Okay, so first, before we get started on how to draw one, can we review how to count to 10 by using a tens frame? Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have a completed row. When we see that in math, we just know if a completed row is filled, we don't need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We just know that's 5. So now we're at 5, but we're not done. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have a math picture using a tens frame showing a group of 10 counters. So today, you are going to be drawing a tens frame. And I'm going to give you step-by-step directions, but you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a blank piece of paper. And I like to keep it hot dog style. This way is hamburger style, right? Big hamburger, got all the lettuce, tomato, all that. Hot dog style is when it's flipped this way, horizontally. All right, so you'll need a piece of paper turned hot dog style, and you'll also need a pencil with an eraser just in case we make mistakes. And then if you want, you can have a marker to trace it after. So now that you have your materials, we're first going to start off by drawing a rectangle. Now watch what Miss Young does. I'm going to look at my paper, and this is already the shape of a rectangle, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to start by drawing one line. Okay, now I have another line, and one more line. And last but not least, to complete our rectangle, we now have the outside of our tens frame. Okay, now watch what I do next. I'm going to make some dots. Ready? You see that space I left? Try to make it that same amount of space. One dot. And I'm looking at it and I'm spacing it out to be around the same space for another dot. 2 dots. 3 dots. And 4 dots. There we go. Miss Young, this doesn't look like a tens frame. Well, those dots are going to help us. Watch what I do next. Start from 1 dot, go all the way down to the bottom. Good job, boys and girls. Next dot, all the way down to the bottom again. Good job. Come to your 3rd dot and all the way down. And your 4th dot all the way down. Woohoo! Good job, you guys. Now we have one more dot. Are you ready? I'm going to look at this side and I'm going to try to make it somewhere in the middle. There we go. Now, what do you think I'm going to do with that dot to make it look like a tens frame? You got it. Start at the dot, all the way way across. And now I have my at-home, very own tens frame. Isn't that awesome, boys and girls? Now, if you made some mistakes, it's okay because we have an eraser. And if you really want to, you can now erase those dots. Only if they bother you. You can just keep them up there if you want. But now I'm going to take my marker and make it dark and trace it. See how you can see it better? And now you have your very own 10 frame. All right, good job, boys and girls. That's how you make a 10 frame. You can use this at home during your math lessons. That's all for now. Bye.